Miami in the tougher 14th place position, but with multiple games at hand, 5 points below the playoff line as we get set for first kick tonight. There was a driving rain and lightning within 8 miles of the stadium that forced our delay less than 1 hour ago. The management, proud partner of Major League Soccer. These teams last faced each other on match day 3. That was way back on March 11th. A 1-0 New York City win. But the roster turnover for each since that night has been immense. As the legendary Dave Johnson would say, down the stretch, starting 11 this evening for Inter Miami. We learned a few hours ago Lionel Messi would not play tonight, not even on the bench. They employ a 3-5-2. Serhii Kritsov is in the center of a back three. Busquets right back as the anchor of the match. We can say the same about tonight, as it's back to the business of the regular season. New York City, winners of Sammartino. He said it was an exhausted team that left the field. See, Tomas Magno, Santi Rodriguez again, tangled up with Busquets, and the free kick awarded.
And this is a prime example of the interchanging between the front four of NYCFC. We know that...
Signal from referee Victor Rivas, and this ball drilled all out. It's a New York City throw. 7 times as we get a look at Nick Cushing on the challenge to...
More of a skip, but no adjustment needed for either side in terms of playing. The one thing to be mindful of, though, Steve, outside the white line where you're going to maybe have a throw-in, it is...
Messi, a spectator for the Open Cup final, watching again tonight. Off to the races, 4 into the attack. Jason for New York City. Barker got a foot to it and poked it wide.
And it's a great chance as well. And that's a prime example of the turnover of possession. It's what it's all about, because you can look from Aski, he's out of position, and then you've got
Bakar racing onto this ball. Caught centrally, Bakar off the left foot, fires and missed the net. But he's in the danger area again. His second shot in the game's opening quarter hour.
Yeah, he is. Give credit though to Kritsov, because he doesn't commit himself.
Defender of the year. We finally filled that hole, Nick Cushing said. Against New York City, and the first prime free kick of the night for New York City as James Sands is called. Countryman Facundo Farias plays this, and Campana got a foot to it, trying to take it out of midair, handled by Freeze.
And it's a really good free kick as well. Campana's starting position is on the far side, and then he makes that late run. No one tracks him. It's a good ball as well. He just can't get enough contact.
There you see the record with Lionel Messi, 8-0-4 in all competitions. Who's been excellent lately? The return from Santi Rodriguez. Miller with the fine tackle to slow. Taking the long strides to get on this. Perea works it across. Oh, that's his third chance of the game. It just missed.
Well, that's the box-to-box central midfielder, Perea, that we've been talking about. It's a long busting run, all the way from his own half, and he just finds himself in so much space. He cannot play a ball any better than this. He plays it on the wrong...
We continue in the meantime, Tomas Magno. Now the free kick is awarded, and we'll also get an answer to your inquiry. To the 18, Perea will get on this. Andres Perea sent it towards the near post and sent it wide.
Yeah, it went to him a little bit fortuitously, but once again, it's just showing the attacking in.
Back to defend and take that away. Hard challenge, first part of the night. Kromaski is booked in the 33rd minute.
Once again, the ball, Busquets this time getting forward.
Facundo Farias into the 18, cuts it back, left foot blocked away, follow-up shot blocked as well. That's Tavon Gray to... Wanted Arroyo, there's Magno, who was shaken up moments ago. He's fouled here, caught out of the pocket of Victor Rivas, and it's Dixon Arroyo? No, it is Aviles who is booked.
Yeah, and we know Aviles, he...
With a fine touch, Ruiz broken up by O'Toole, and Inter Miami with their first corner of the night.
That's better from Inter Miami.
For Busquets, Arroyo, crowd yelling shoot, plays for Campana instead, headed it across the goal mouth, cleared out. Third quarter for Inter Miami.
by CFC. They just want half-time to come now. Starting to get into their rhythm, starting to get into their stride. And it's just lovely movement off the...
Find your perfect somewhere on the Hotels.com app. As expected, it is a terrific crowd on this Saturday night. Understood, many of these fans disappointed that Lionel Messi is not in the lineup for Miami, as was the case in midweek for the U.S. Open Cup final. Bray fends off a challenge by Tomas. A little too much in the defending there. Free kick, New York City. On 1-0 doing. And back the other way, that's Rodriguez. Now he's fouled here. Kripsov is the latest to be carded here for Inter Miami.
Yeah, Kripsov, he was taken into an area where he didn't want to go because Miller, the left-sided centre-back.
Played ahead. Jason can't get there. Swooped up and met by Sands. Martins. Played ahead. Bagrar. And shaken up on the play, and in great discomfort is Perea. Card comes out of the pocket of Victor Rivas again.
It's a really poor challenge from Arroyo. Perea just left on the ground. Just he gets to the ball first. That's a really poor challenge. It wouldn't surprise me in the slightest if they look to...
Either side able to break through to this point. City has broken up by City. Now run back the other way on the near side. Pushed from behind is Jason, who's fouled.
That's good play from Jason. Good energy.
Santi Rodriguez has a step in the 18. Rodriguez with a shot. Oh, he scored! Santi Rodriguez roofs it, and New York City in the 77th minute with its playmaker extraordinaire playing the role of superb finisher. What a strike! New York City has the lead.
It's absolutely brilliant from Rodriguez, but what I would say, it's a quick free kick. And Inter Miami, they completely switch up. It's not the greatest of touches from Rodriguez, but then he has it and he just drives all the way across, gets the better of Aviles.
Gets some air under this. Martinez! He was in the mixer, but Inter Miami has leveled the match.
And they're taking no time to get back. It looks as though it may well have been Aviles who got his head on it. As you can see, taking no time, even taking the ball back to the centre box spot themselves, because they believe that within these 2 minutes they could potentially get a winner. You just see as the ball's played in.
शादी हो तो कई महीने पहले ही पता चल जाता है कि उस व्यक्ति की शादी होने वाली है, लेकिन दुबई के अंदर दुबई की राजकुमारी कहे जाने वाली मोहम्मद अल मखदूम बिन राशिद की बेटी शेख महराब की शादी हो चुकी है और इसका बिल्कुल भी शोभा नहीं किया गया है। अपनी शादी को सभी लोग फुल धूमधाम से मनाते हैं, लेकिन दुबई के अंदर